Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share how much I love this beautiful dress. And the first thing is that I love the material. This material is made of 100% cotton. Now, the reason that this is important is as we roll into summer, wearing breathable materials like cotton is very important to me. I live in a very warm and humid climate, so this will keep me cool as well as keeping me looking cute. But speaking of looking cute, I also adore this dress because of the design. The dark denim is so flattering, as well as the trims and tie-dye that goes down the dress. This is really such a perfect dress for going out to brunch, going to the beach, or even going to a shower. The color goes so well with pretty much everything, making it the perfect thing to wear when you don't know what to wear. So now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.